Sorry guys, I've been dropping my iPhone so much, don't ask me. जब तक ये ख़त्म नहीं होता है ना लॉकडाउन, आई कांट बाय एनीथिंग. सो ऑनलाइन भी नहीं है, ऑफलाइन भी नहीं है. एंड यू नो 5 times so far I have dropped my iPhone, and tempered glass broke. It broke into my finger also. And अभी बिना tempered glass के it fell. I hope it is working. Can you hear me? ठीक है. I'm just going to do an audio check, and I need stick for today's workout. ठीक है. And I'm going to put my phone on silent. Nobody can access me now except people who are on Goki. Yeah, exclusive class for Goki. All right. Okay, everything fine? Can somebody give me a check there? Azhar, can you give me a check? Or Sagar, if you are there, Ritesh, if you are there, can you give me a technical background ka check? Everything okay? View is good? Okay, fine. So, yeah, I was talking about how the stick will help. Any props in the house, I can make you work out using the props, because none of us were equipped with the full-fledged gym equipment, है ना? So जो भी है इसी को इस्तेमाल करके we will get optimal results and effective exercises. हो सकता है हम दिखा देंगे कैसे, but quiz के बाद. And using the stick we are working on a midsection, this one and here. So walk around, get the stick, go get the stick, walk around. अभी quiz शुरू होने में अभी थोड़ी देर है. Wait, let me see the time. We have 2 minutes for the quiz to start. ठीक है, तो हम ये भी कर लेते हैं. अगर हमारा फोन फिर से पॉप आउट हो गया, एक मैट लगा देते हैं यहाँ पे, तो सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग हो जाएगा फोन का. Don't ask me how inconvenient it is now, especially when you want to buy something, essential है, but इतना भी essential नहीं है कि वो दुकान खुले. ऑनलाइन भी नहीं है. And good. So I'm going to read that messages. I want to know if anything about technically is written. Vanita garu, నేను బాగున్నానండి. దివ్య, మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? అంత ఆరాంగా ఉన్నారా? ఇంట్లోనే ఉన్నారా? And everybody good morning out there. Okay, my audio's obviously not bad, it's good. My phone survived the fall. Okay. Walk. Keep walking, guys. Walk it. This is Vanita Ashok here from Bangalore. Yeah? Good night. I'm good, Prabhavati. Okay, very good morning everybody. Walk. Come on. This is Vanita Ashok's का class है. कोई बैठ नहीं सकता है, कभी भी नहीं. The entire class you have to be doing something, either stretching or flexing or strengthening or doing cardio. नहीं तो fine tuning skills. Okay, walk. You need a stick, okay? अगर stick नहीं है, that is your excuse. Doesn't matter. बिना स्टिक के भी आप कर सकते हो. यू हैव नी प्रॉब्लम, नो वरीज. नो बैक प्रॉब्लम, नो वरीज. आप बैठे कर सकते हो एक एक्सरसाइज. इफ यू हैव शोल्डर प्रॉब्लम, वेरिएशन हम दिखा देंगे आपके लिए, है ना? यू हैव एन एक्सक्यूज, आई हैव एन एक्सरसाइज. दिस इज वनिता अशोक हियर. सो वी गो एंड प्ले द क्विज एंड कम बैक. Go guys, go play the quiz and come back. Guys, the quiz has not started. Go play the quiz. Go. Okay, welcome back. This is Monica Ashok here. How was the quiz? Easy. Thanks for contributing towards the donation that we are making from Goki app to the frontline warriors to make up for the shortage of masks and sanitizers. High quality one. Okay, if you want, you can check it out on Goki store. So let's go ahead and start my class. Before that, an introduction for those who joined right now. I'm Monica Ashok from Bangalore, and I'm an aerobic instructor, group class instructor. And I've done various certification to upgrade myself constantly by taking up certification, in various countries, attending workshops and conventions. So that is about me. I have an aerobic studio here in Bangalore. I take 3 classes every day, but a studio ko humko shift karna pada to Goki, app, and my students are now working out with me on Goki app, and we have no choice. We have to stay indoors but stay fit. And apart from that, I am on media too. I have my own radio show going on here in Bangalore. And I'm very passionate about getting my country fit, strong and healthy. None of us were prepared for this day. ये सब suddenly हो गया, है ना? So लॉकडाउन को बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे कंसिडर कर रहे हैं कि ये हॉलीडे है, वेकेशन में है, रेसोर्ट में है. इतने सारे खाने पका के खा रहे हैं, unhealthy food, no movement, no exercise. But all those people out here, I'm going to give you a high five for coming on to Goki app and working out with us coaches. You are wise, very, very wise, trust me. So when you start exercising, about your eating also you will have a second thought. Unhealthy nahi khane wale ho aap. Okay, most likelihood that will happen. So be your own motivation, inspiration, and ये भी समझ लीजिए लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाएगा. खत्म होने के बाद हमको फिर से ऑफिस जाना पड़ता है, बिजनेस पे जाना पड़ता है, वर्क प्लेस whatever it is there, we have to go, and हमारे लिए strength चाहिए. Number 1, we have to be presentable. More importantly than that, you have to fit into the clothes, right? अभी तो हम लोगों को बहुत सारे what should I say, we have to save as much as possible. We can't spend, so definitely you're not going to spend on a new wardrobe, right? So please make sure that you fit into your clothes, and for that you need to exercise. So ये पेट के लिए है, इस भाग के लिए है, this particular part and this particular part is exercising, and इसका toning and strengthening करवा रहे हैं. ये midsection है, this is your center of your body, core, okay, and movements of all my 4 limbs, our 4 limbs comes from here, generated from here. If this is strong, our movements will be fluid and injury free. ये समझ लीजिए. Exercise क्यों करना है? इसीलिए भी करना है. For this reason also you have to work out. तो यहाँ पे strength build करने से you can rotate your body. होता है ना everyday life में, all this has to be done. Rotation. Okay, you have to go forward, you have to reach up, you have to bend, you have to twist. All these actions are real life actions, functional. तो इसको बेहतर करें, injury free रखें, तो we have to exercise. ठीक है? So ये मैट तो bad idea था, हम निकाल रहे हैं इस मैट को, slip हो रहा है, ठीक है. So wear your shoes, we're going to warm up first. Stick नहीं है तो भी ठीक है, छोड़ दीजिए. Without the stick also you can do. You can have your hand right now for warm up here or move your hands. ठीक है? Those who have stick, I want you to shift side to side, specific warm up and stretches we are doing. Your legs are going to work. Movement ऐसा है कि legs का भी इस्तेमाल होगा, तो please shift कीजिए right and left, right and left. This is a stretch. Can you see that extended leg is stretching? Shift, shift, good. Shift, shift, good. I want to hold it. Hold. Change your movement. Good. Here, I want you to push the stick forward, back. See? Forward. Your upper back will be engaged in this. Go. 2. Breathe out. 3. Better ये काम आप कर सकते हो. 4. From here. 5. 6. 7. 8. Now shift. Extreme. Extreme. Stretches. 2. Warm up. 3. Go. 5. Change. 6. Change. 7. Change. Good. Hip rotation. Go 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Reverse it. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And down. Quickly. Yeah, come on. Agility, speed, quick, quick. Transfer. Good. Excellent. Good. Change direction. Your arms are working. They will work later on also. Good. Down. Roll your shoulders. Reverse it. Back. Reverse. Back. Reverse. Rotation. Midsection come. 3. 4. Only here. Not your knees. 5. 6. 7. Shift. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. I can't read from here, okay? I'll come after the workout and read it out for you. Any question about the exercise? Ask me later. I cannot see from here at all. But message me only if there is some technical issue. So I will know from there कि important है, मैं मुझे आके पढ़ना है. Okay? Okay. Alright. So now, guys, इससे पेट कम नहीं होगा. पेट कम नहीं होगा. Toning and strength हो रहा है. तो पेट कम करना है तो आपको कार्डियो रेस्पिरेटरी एक्सरसाइजेस को 40 to 60 मिनट्स करना है. बहुत सारे फॉर्मेट्स है, यहाँ गो की ऐप पे चेक कर लीजिए. एंड इसके साथ टोटल बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग करना है. एंड ठीक तरफ से सोना है, ठीक तरफ से खाना खाना है. ठीक तरफ से सोना है माने you have to get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, no stress, and then eat. Diet is very very important. Healthy diet, balanced diet, and इसको moderation में खाना है. No party, ठीक है? Party खत्म हो गया. Enough. No more party. You will be nice to your body. Health is very important. Remember that. ये जब midsection बढ़ जाता है ना, so lifestyle disease बढ़ जाता है. तो हम म्यूजिक लगाएंगे. It will motivate you. Very good. Sit on the chair if you want to. You can sit on the chair. Do the same. Those who have knee problem, lower back problem, obesity problem, if you are new, if you have arthritis, sit on the chair. ठीक है? Arthritis people will not use the stick. Will not use the stick. Shoulder joint वाले जो भी प्रॉब्लम है, आप स्टिक यूज नहीं करोगे. You will not even lift your hand over your shoulders. यहाँ पे होगा, बस यहाँ पे होगा. So knee problem and lower back, you can do it. So पहला वाला एक्सरसाइज यहाँ से है. आप ऐसे चले जाइए. Right side 3 sets, left side 3 sets. Slowly fall parallel to your own body. Then right and left 3 sets. No stopping. Okay? I will not come to you, but I will go on for standing one. Right? Whoever is doing the standing workout with me, we are doing the same thing. But थोड़ा सा variation add कर लेंगे आपके लिए और ज़्यादा कैलोरी burn करने के लिए. Let's go. Go. Don't bend your नहीं है without a stick. Go. Breathe out. Keep going. The music is counting. 8 repetitions, 3 sets. Breathe out. Change sides. The variation coming up. The people standing up. Finish the 3 sets. ये गाना याद है डिस्को डांसर का आवा आवा keep going forward turn alternate center get used to this one more time. Good. Working your arm legs. Legs wide now. Wide. Legs wide. Wide up. That's it. Enough. Look at mine. Refer mine. Keep going. Forward. Last set. Forward. Turn it. You're going to hold it, okay? This time, hold it. Hold. Ready your start. Hold it. Variation है. Also, 5, 6, 7 parts. Change and hold. Hold. Parallel. 8 good. 5, 6, 7 parts. Go forward. More calorie burn. Come on. Keep going. One more time. Change the manga. Watch me from here. Careful, not at your knees. Only upper body, upper body. Forward. Last set. Bend. Bend. Keep changing your hands. Stick नहीं है तो imagine कीजिए. बैठे बैठे कर सकते हो exercise. This time hold on, hold it, hold. See the curve here? Change. March. Again here. Watch me now. Now bend your knees. Bring it. Slow. 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 Bend. Ankle. You can sit and do it. Last set. Breathe out. Forward. Pivot. March forward back. Variation. ठीक है? Ready for that? Take your heart rate up. Burn more calories. Changing your track. Count it down. Remember, 70s में. Ready? Watch me. Going forward with the same thing. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. और जगह है तो आगे चले जाइए, नहीं तो पीछे. Go back. Watch me from here. Then go. I'm almost set. Keep going. March forward back. Good. So far good. Enjoying? Abs the workout. Standing up with sticks. Woo. Push the stick. Elbow meets the knee. One muscle. Forward. It also works here. Okay, come on. Problem area. Down. Forward. Change. Bend. I want you to bend. Bend your upper body. Go. Crunch it. See crunches. Two muscles. Keep going. Last set. Forward. Keep going. March forward back. So far so good? Very good. Everybody okay? Breathe out. Breathe out. Take this break. One more time. Get your stick here. Center. 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 Stop. Woo. Go. Keep going. Extend your hands. No stick. Doesn't matter. Shoulder problem. You have an option. Go. Go. Give me 2 more sets. Go, go, go. Breathe out. Woo. Our last set. The 5th one. Let's go. You can sit also. Do this. Forward. You're going to hold it, okay? Ready? Right hand hold. we'll lie down, we'll go on the floor and do one more variation. We're working on this section now. Okay, standing में 2 बार ऐसे किया था आगे से. So one more with the lying down, stick के साथ, but lying down. So you put on a mat and then we will go. So ready? Okay. No music now because I want to instruct you. चलो ये हमारा सेल फोन के लिए है. अगर गिर गया तो soft landing हो जाएगा. Oh God. Okay. So sit down. Everybody okay? So far so good. तो ये lower back में थोड़ा सा stress लगता है because it gets it involved. So people with lower back problem don't do it. If you don't have lower back problem, you can do it. So people who are sitting on the stool or chair because of knee problem, lower back problem, obesity, arthritis, and seniors, come on the mat. You can do this on the mat. ठीक है? चलो. शुरू करें. If you have a clip on you, get it off. I have a clip, so I'm getting it off. Okay. So from here, lift your upper body up, extend that leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Engage your muscle. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and down. We'll do one more set. One more set. Take the break. Switch your hands. Stretch your legs. Everybody okay with this? Okay? So people with lower back problem, you want to give it a try. Give it a try. Okay? You just give it a try. If you feel it is like you're not comfortable, you're getting hurt, to stop immediately. Others, you can do it. Try it. Shoulder problem, other shoulder problem hai, to just do this. Okay? Just do that. Ready? Let's go. So hand and leg is moving at different pace. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and down. Woo! Stretch. Hands at the back, legs in the front. Feel it. Good. So now that your abs worked out, it needs a stretch. Abs का stretch, obliques का stretch चाहिए, and इसके साथ lower back का stretch भी करना ही है. You cannot work on one group of muscles. Muscles are worked out in pairs. साथ साथ में workout करना है. So पेट का opposite muscle, pair muscle है lower back. तो इसके लिए हम करेंगे cobra stretch. So go down. People with lower back problem, please do it. अच्छा, ठीक है? Because it will help you deal with the lower back pain because it will build muscles there. All right? So lie down on your stomach. Lie down on your stomach. Can you see me? पीछे. ठीक है. So both your palms beside your chest. Only chest lifts up. ठीक है? Upper stomach lifts up. Legs का lift नहीं हो रहा है. Get it? Look forward. Watch me. That's it. Chest. खाली chest. ये शो ऑफ है, वो भुजंगा पे चले जाएगा. I don't want भुजंगा. I want cobra. ठीक है? Let's go. 8. Low lying cobra. 2. Chest up. 3. 4. Look forward. 5. 6. 7. 8 and hold. Elbows back. Legs straight. Breathe out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and down. ऐसे lifting में, lifted cobra में और दो करेंगे 10 sets, 10 counts. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, down. One more time. Let's go. Elbow back. Legs straight. Squeeze your butt. Chest up. Sternum lifted. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and down. Child pose, Shashanka. Let's go. Stretch your lower back, upper back. Breathe out. You can hold it for 30 seconds to 1 minute. ये जो हमने अभी stretch किया ना child pose, ये वेरी कंफर्टिंग पोज है. सो अगर स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, एनी टाइम यू आर स्ट्रेस्ड, एजिटेटेड, एंजाइटी, पैनिक अटैक्स, डिप्रेशन, नॉट फीलिंग गुड, मूड स्विंग, तो ऐसे चले जाइए मैट पे, बेड पे. ओके, जस्ट गो एंड सरेंडर टू मदर अर्थ एंड यू स्टे देयर फॉर एज लॉन्ग एज यू कैन. इफ यू हैव गिडीनेस, ऐसे the heart will not be like this, hands will not be like this, hands like this. Okay, stay there and as long as you can, or minimum 1 minute. Minimum 1 minute, you will see a change. Blood rushes into the brain, and blood carries nutrients along with oxygen, because of oxygen, and you will feel much better. ठीक है? Try it. Now obliques का workout हमने करवाया था ना, तो stretch. So वनिता's class में सबका ऑप्शन, सबके ऑप्शन होता है. ओके, सबके लिए देयर इज नो एक्सक्यूज एट ऑल. वेरी गुड. Good. In the past, I have made even people on. Go ahead and ask me questions if you want. I'm going to be here for another 2 minutes. ठीक है? So in the past, I have made people who are on the wheelchair exercise. ठीक है, व्हील चेयर लोगों के लिए भी एक्सरसाइज चाहिए. एंड पीपल हु आर ब्लाइंड हैव डन एरोबिक्स विथ मी. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव बीन डूइंग फ्रॉम 17 years. ठीक है, एक्सरसाइज, नोबडी इज स्पेयर्ड ऑफ नॉट एक्सरसाइजिंग. कोई सोचता समझता भी नहीं है, उन लोगों को भी एक्सरसाइज चाहिए. ओके, बट चाहिए स्ट्रेंथ. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्ट्रेंथ, है ना. गेट. तो ब्लाइंड पीपल को टीच करने में ज़रा मुश्किल होता है, but they are very clever. Their senses are very attuned. So it is very, very nice to do that class. It was very nice to do that class for them. So wheelchair में बैठे हुए लोगों को upper body strength चाहिए. Okay, flexibility चाहिए. इतना if you don't have electronic वाला, इतना हाथ में ऐसे करना पड़ता है, तो इतना दुखता होगा, है ना. And you need muscles here. Age के हिसाब से muscles चला जाता है. Overuse के लिए muscles चला जाता है. जॉइंट्स में दर्द होता है, एंड उसके लिए स्ट्रेचेस चाहिए. सो वी कैन डू दैट फॉर देम आल्सो. एक्सटेंड बोथ योर लेग्स. योर लेग्स आल्सो वर्कड आउट. पॉइंट योर टोes towards you. Lift that heel off the floor. Top. Good. Inner thigh. साइड लिफ्टिंग हमने किया ना, हमने बताया हिप फ्लेक्सर का भी वर्कआउट हो रहा है, इनर थाई का भी. प्रॉब्लम एरिया सेम प्लेस. Top. Everybody okay? Enjoyed? Forward. Good. So in my 17 years of experience, I have realized people get very bored, and it takes a while for people to understand the importance of exercising. And इसके साथ एक्सरसाइज का बेनिफिट ज़्यादा है. ये हम ओवर द काउंटर खरीद नहीं सकते हैं, वर्कआउट करना पड़ता है. और कोई हमारा वर्कआउट नहीं कर सकते हैं, हमको खुद करना पड़ता है वर्कआउट. ओके, ये स्ट्रेंथ के लिए करना चाहिए, हार्ट का एफिशिएंसी के लिए, लंग्स के लिए, कार्डियो रेस्पिरेटरी एफिशिएंसी के लिए करना है, ब्रेन हेल्थ के लिए करना है, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम के लिए करना है, मस्कुलोस्केलेटल सिस्टम के लिए करना है. Musculoskeletal means muscles and skeleton. So you have to. Don't deprive yourself of this wonderful opportunity to work out on Goki at your own time. एक क्लास बाद में भी देख सकते हो आप, कभी भी देख सकते हो, एक साल के बाद में भी देख सकते हो. So that is the beauty of this technology and Goki app. So please make best use of it. Bring your family and friends who are sitting in the house, not exercising, working on the laptop from morning to night, and eating overly and limited movement. खाली रिमोट कंट्रोल का यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो उसको यहाँ पे लेके आ जाइए. स्पेशली हमारा क्लास में आई विल मोटिवेट देम टू एक्सरसाइज, बिकॉज आई एम अ मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, फिटनेस इन्फ्लुएंसर. सो आई एम वेरी श्योर हाफ ऑफ यू वुड हैव बीन इंस्पायर्ड एंड मोटिवेटेड टू एक्सरसाइज. हाँ, कोच वनिता अशोक ने ठीक बताया, एक्सरसाइज खाली वेट लॉस के लिए नहीं करना है, इसे बहुत सारा बेनिफिट्स है. मैडम ने बताया आज का वर्कआउट टर्निंग के लिए, बेंडिंग, लिफ्टिंग, रोटेशन एंड ऑल दिस रीजंस के लिए चाहिए, तो हम वर्कआउट करेंगे, है ना. गुड. Get your children also to work out, and also Goki is associated with Fit India movement, and we are doing active day sessions, okay, on 9:30 every day. I'm coming next week on that. Today Tufail was there. You can check that. School बच्चों के लिए है. आप भी बैठ जाइए इसके साथ and exercise कीजिए. Okay, you need to push them. हाँ, हमारे टाइम में ना PT classes में compulsory. तो अभी पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है and lockdown में सब खत्म हो गया. So don't let them spend time the entire 24 hours में 8 hours sleep and lots of time for studying and plus activities. ठीक है, make good use of it. Make good use of it. So any questions at all, you can reach out to me on Arena by sending a friend request to me and ask me the questions there. आज के क्लास के बारे में, नहीं तो वेट लॉस के बारे में, फिटनेस के बारे में, कुछ भी है हमको बता दीजिए, हम आंसर करेंगे Arena पे. And thank you for all those hearts. One for you. And नीचे जो बटन दिख रहा है, अगर दिख रहा है तो it's a coach button. तो press कीजिए, you will subscribe to my class. And I'll be here tomorrow again at 10 o'clock with another format. So go ahead and stretch. Do these stretches. Again, if you feel sore, by evening or tomorrow you will feel sore. If you have worked out. अगर चाहिए तो repetitions बढ़ाइए, नहीं तो कम कीजिए. Depending on your fitness level, how you are feeling. Okay, दोपहर को मत कीजिए exercise. It's too hot. शाम को कर सकते हो. ये पूरा exercise जो हमने किया था, आपको शाम को repeat करना है तो कीजिए. बट ऐसे एक्सपेक्टेशंस मत रखिए कि हाँ कल आपका सब शेक हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे फैट कम हो जाएगा. नहीं होगा. ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम होगा. ओवरऑल वेट लॉस होता है. ठीक है. एंड इसके साथ यू कांट डू इट टुमारो यू कैन नॉट डू इट. ओके, बिकॉज दिस मसल्स हैव टू रेस्ट फॉर 48 आवर्स. सो रिजुविनेशन, सेलुलर रिपेयर होना चाहिए. ओके, टेयर होता है, माइक्रोस्कोपिक टेयर, माइक्रोस्कोप में देखना है उस टेयर के लिए. सो दैट टेयर्स विल हैपन. फॉर इट टू बी रिपेयर टेक्स 48 आवर्स. सो कल मत करना. जो भी एब्स का है डोंट डू इट डे आफ्टर टुमारो. ठीक है. this knowledge is very important. People don't abuse your body. And Rome was not built in one day. Yeah, remember that. So I'll see you tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Be wise all through the day. Try to move as much as possible. Drink plenty of water. And I want you to join Shri Ravi Shankar ji for the meditation class. I think it should start anytime after this. And evening ko lots of yoga people will do lots of yoga classes, stretching ka and meditation ka, Omkara chanting. Join. Lots of talk shows are there. Go ahead and join. Be the force. Get put in your with me, Vanita Ashok, only on Goki app. Stay home, stay fair. Ta-da.